Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rani and this is my channel Yum Tum, and I try and post every day something. So I am posting a baking related video today. So for those who don't know, I am also a home baker and I take orders for everything related to baked products. So I got an order for this birthday cake. It's a nice white chocolate pineapple cake in 1 kg, and it's a theme cake. It's been made for a child for his birthday. So here I am making the cake. I have whipped up some cream. I have cut some vanilla sponge into some slices. I'm layering it with a nice pineapple cream. Then over it goes some white chocolate ganache, and then a pineapple crush, some sliced pineapple, and then I continue doing the same till the final layer. Then I coat the cake. Finally, I actually crumb coat the cake first. So crumb coating is very important to get a very nice finish on your cake. I crumb coat it and then I start with the final layering. So it has two colors, green and blue. So I'm gonna do it half and half, like half is green, the bottom is green, and then we do it up in a blue color on the top. And then I just give it a final finish. Then I'm decorating it with some stickers, the theme stickers. Basically it was a Winnie the Pooh theme. Actually, I don't properly know the theme, but yeah, I can see Pooh here in the sticker, of course. So it's basically a theme cake with animals and stuff. And then I'm putting some grass on the top with a grass nozzle. So it's entirely a whipped cream cake, and it's a very yummy flavor. It's a must try from my bakery and it's a super hit actually. And then I'm just decorating the cake, finally making some cute little pink flowers with nozzle, and then it's done. So enjoy the videos. I'll come up with more baking and cooking recipes as and when I can post on this channel. Please show some love, and if you do like my content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow for more. Stay tuned, enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon with the next video. Bye bye.